Okay, now this lesson we're going to start the first lesson on how to create a full accounting system on Google Sheet. So you go to your Google and start the Google Sheet. Okay, I would like to use a blank template. Yep, let's start this as account. Right. So this is for advanced users of Excel and Google, and I'm going to create a full accounting package using this Google Sheet. Okay, let's start by knowing doing the first month. And what is that? My favorite is I like to have an input sheet in a year because accounting pack. Let's say January month. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this month across 12 months. So I will do the template first. Okay, this one will be the ID field, date, extra field will be to do codes, and this the text field, and this one is the vendor or customer field. Okay, and document number, account code, account name. Okay, and that's it. And then you will have your amount, text field, and gross. That's it. This is a simple one. Oops. Because any customization you can always do it on your own much later. Right. So these are the standard accounting conventions that accountant use for doing their accounts. Right. So let's start off simple and I'll show you how. Okay. Certain fields need to be formulated because if not, I cannot capture the data that I want. Right. But I'll leave it for later. Let's put in some data to let you visualize what this is. So this is the third. I wonder, yeah, it's a daily movement here. This one is spare field text. Put this as GST text. Vendor ABC company and invoice. Okay, now this is the part where you have to do some work. Accounting code. Usually, when you do accounting code, I want this to pop up automatically because I don't want to key everything over again. So, to set up, I'll have to create my trial balance. Okay, so what do I need in my trial balance? A full chart of accounts from somewhere.